Hello everyone, I'm Tilly Douglas from Visual Sense Crafts, and it's been a little while since I've done a video. I haven't actually been doing any painting for a while. There's been so much going on. It's been a funny old time, hasn't it? So I've need to do some painting. It's driving me mad. So I'm doing a painting today. I'm doing an oval. I'm doing it on an MDF oval. I bought a few of these, and what I've done is I've coated it with gesso, sanded it down, and I've taped it on the back to keep it all nice and clean. So we're all ready to go, and I've given it a coat of white paint, and I've got all my paints ready, and my pouring medium I'm using, it's the pouring medium I did it in a video a couple of videos ago, and it's the PVA Bond mixed with water. And I found this really good pouring medium, and I do it 70% PVA Bond to 30% water. I'll leave a link for that in the description below so you can see the same one I've got, because it really does seem to work really quite well. I did a ring pour and it worked ever so well, and I did a Dutch pour. Hang on, I'll just show you those. So this is the Dutch pour that I did with that PVA Bond before, and it's dried so lovely. So I was really pleased with how that turned out. So that's the ring pour, and this is the Dutch pour that I did, and I just think it works so beautifully, and I was really pleased with them. So that's why I'm using that one again today. So 70% PVA Bond and 30% water. And I just mixed it up. This is a Mod Podge container, but I just mixed it up in that because I like to recycle. So I use that, and then I've got my lid that can go on it as well. So my colours today are Arteza Pearl Electric Blue, Arteza Pearl Papaya Orange, Pearl Hot Pink, and Pearl Marmalade. They're all the Arteza colours. And I've got the DecoArt Extreem Sheen Pewter and Pebeo Oriental Violet. So that's all my colours. I've got them all mixed up in their little pots, nice and thin, ready for a Dutch pour. So I hope you can see the consistency that I've got there. And I'm going to do a bloom style. So I've got my cell activator mixed up here, and obviously it's a black. Now what I've used in my cell activator is the Amsterdam. I've got the expert one this time. I don't usually use the expert. I usually use the standard series, but I just wanted to try to see if it was any better. And from what I can see with the expert one, it does seem a bit smoother. And this is Oxide Black, and I mixed that with my, oh, it's under my desk, Australian Flood Floetrol. I'm in the UK, so I bought this off eBay. I'm not going to tell you again how much I paid for it, because I've told you in a previous video, and it's a bit scary. Nearly had to take out a second mortgage for that. And I also mixed in that cell activator some Liquitex ink carbon black, just to make it a little bit runnier. So that's all my bits and pieces. I'll explain what I'm using today. So I'm just going to get on and pour some paint on my, I was going to say my canvas, but my MDF board. So what I'm going to do is just pour some across the middle. I don't want a huge amount of colour on here actually. So I'm drizzling it on today rather than pouring it on in big lines, just drizzling it on, making it a little bit lighter. I'll go with this Pearl Hot Pink. So I do hope you're all keeping well in these very, very strange and trying times. Just awful, just absolutely awful what's happening around the world. So please stay safe, stay indoors if you can. I know we can't all stay indoors all the time because you know, the key workers are still doing their jobs, and thanks to them for keeping us all going. Yeah, the hospital workers, and oh dear, it's just scary, isn't it? So hopefully let's get on, do some painting and try and take our minds off it, even just for a very short while. So that's our pewter. And then our pearl marmalade. This is a lovely colour. I do love this pearl marmalade. Absolutely beautiful. It's like copper really, but it's called pearl marmalade. And Oriental Violet by Pebeo. So some quite rich colours in there. There. Now I'm going to put my cell activator down the middle. And I'm going to use my super duper mini blower to blow it out. So if you've seen any of my videos, oh, excuse me, you've probably seen me using this. This is the smallest leaf blower in the world, apparently. I take the nozzle off for this part, and it's plugged into the wall. It's on a USB, so it's not battery operated, which makes it really handy. And I'm just going to blow it out from the centre. I can never find the button to turn it off because it's so covered in paint. I always struggle to find the button. So that's looking really rather pretty, isn't it? So now I'm going to go in with my turkey baster, and what I do with my turkey baster is I just put a little tube in there, push it in so it seals it nicely, and just start blowing out the edges there. But those colours are looking absolutely gorgeous. Oh, that is looking very, very pretty. Ooh, I'm liking lots. So I've just got this standing on 2 yogurt pots, which work really well because they've got nice wide bases to them. One day I'm going to treat myself to a little air blower. Save me blowing through my turkey baster. But for now, I'll use my turkey baster. Oh, that is looking very, very pretty. I like that a lot. So I'm going to give it a blast with my super duper torch. That does look very pretty. I like that a lot. I'm going to turn my big light off, then I'll bring you down for a close-up. So, here's the close-up. Look at those beautiful colours, how they've mixed. Don't they look absolutely beautiful? Oh, they look beautiful. I think that looks stunning. All that lovely lacing. Oh, I love it, love it, love it, love it. It's the first time I've used these MDF ovals, and I did buy quite a few different sizes, so I'll be doing some more on these. So if you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel and click the little bell notification so you get notified when I bring out new videos. And leave a comment because it all helps us little YouTubers grow. And all my links to my social media are in the description below. So please come and follow me on whatever platform that you're on. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I've joined Twitter. Don't know what I'm doing. Still don't know what I'm doing on there, but I'm on there. Doesn't that look gorgeous? I love it. So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.